Rising from the heart of the Shibden Valley in Halifax, Shibden Hall is one of West Yorkshire's most iconic landmarks. Dating back to 1420, this timber-framed masterpiece has seen over 6 centuries of history. Today, we're taking a bird's-eye view of 5 fascinating facts you might not know about this historic estate. First, the Hall's most famous resident was Anne Lister, the world's first modern lesbian industrialist and diarist. Her life was the inspiration for the hit series Gentleman Jack. In fact, the production used the Hall itself as the primary filming location, making it a global pilgrimage site for fans. Second, look closely at the stone tower on the west side. Anne Lister added this Norman-style tower in the 1830s to house her massive library. But it wasn't just for books, it also featured one of the very first flushing water closets in the region, a true luxury for its time. Fact number 3. Beneath these manicured gardens lies a hidden world. During restoration in 2007, a secret tunnel was discovered. It was built so that the gardeners could move between the park and the servants' quarters without being seen by the Lister family or their guests. Fourth, as we fly over the boating lake, notice its long, winding shape. Anne Lister specifically commissioned this to look like a flowing river rather than a stagnant pond. It was designed by architect John Harper to be a pleasure lake, and it's been a favourite for local boaters for nearly 200 years. Finally, the Hall's look is a bit of an architectural illusion. While it started as a simple H-plan timber house in 1420, it was cased in stone in the early 1500s. The iconic black-and-white Tudor look we see today was actually a Victorian-era makeover to emphasise its medieval roots. Shibden Hall is a true Yorkshire gem. Have you ever visited the Hall or seen it on television? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this aerial tour, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more drone explorations. See you in the next one.